Lightning McQueen. What more is there for me to say about him? He is the main character of all forms of Pixar Cars Motorsport. Yeah, and he's probably one of, if not the most popular characters, well, in franchise. And for good reason as well. He started off in the first film as this sort of arrogant and cocky race car, and then, by the end of the third film, he was a totally different car. He was, you know, mentoring racers, and well, in particular, Cruz Ramirez. He was also pretty humble as well. By the end of the third film. Now, as most of you probably know, Lightning McQueen has won 7 Piston Cups, which is tied first with Strip the King Weathers, who, of course, is a Piston Cup legend who is portrayed by Richard Petty, who was he was an ex-NASCAR driver. He was a American. Well, I mean, so is pretty much every other NASCAR driver. So not really surprising. Not really surprised at that. Now McQueen's mentor is, well, as most of you probably know, Doc Hudson, or this car here, who sadly passed away in 2008. Well, that the Paul Newman did, but I assume the character of Doc Hudson did as well. But hey, I could be wrong. Pixar Cars super fans, tell me in the comments below when Doc Hudson passed. Nah, just joking. You don't have to. Now, there is this debate on what car McQueen's based on, or what cars, as in a plural. Some people say he's the Dodge Viper, others say he's a C6 Corvette, others say he's a NASCAR stock car. Well, but personally, I think he's a NASCAR stock car. And actually, I believe it's like one of those like early 2000 Chevrolets. I think. Which one would it be? Would it be the Chevelle? Nope, it's too old. Not the SS, but that's too new. The Monte Carlo? Would it be the Monte Carlo? I think it would be, actually. Yeah, the Monte Carlo SS. Like, NASCAR. Stock car sounds about right for Lightning McQueen's base, or his car, inspiration, I should say. Now, this variant here, the one in this video is the Cars 1 variant. So, well, of course, it appears in Cars 1. Well, for pretty much the entirety of it. Well, besides the end, but yeah, that's a whole nother story which I will not get into on this video. Let's have a closer look at him. So you can see there's his Rusty's logo, some medicated bumper ointment, which is pretty much the equivalent of hemorrhoid cream, which probably explains why McQueen doesn't like rusty cars at the start of the first film, because need I say more? Yes, there's what does it say? Rear end formula. Yes, that definitely got a hidden meaning inside it, if you know what I mean. Now on his side, he's got lightning stickers, which is why Sally calls McQueen stickers. Oh, and he's got headlights as stickers as well, because the track is always lit, if you know what I mean. Nice smiley expression, like he's just won the race. Which one though? I don't know. On the side, it's got all the contingency sponsors that all the other ones have, and whatever. Here again, a 95, which fades from his really nice red to, was it an orange? I don't know. To a yellow colour. Same thing with the lightning bolt on the side as well. It also got the Rusty's logo as well. Red Lightyear tyres, as you can see. Oh, and a fuel filler cap as well to refuel during the race. Interesting. Now I'm not sure if you've noticed when watching the film, but since this is his first season in the Piston Cup, he's got a yellow rookie stripe with medicated bumper ointment on it. Well, not the actual product, of course, but the slogan is what I mean. Still, written out Rusty's logo without any intricate shapes and whatever. Whatever, thanks to Thai variant. Maybe 2023 Mattel, made in Thailand, Disney Pixar, and whatever. Pretty nice underside as well. Please do not take that out of context. I'm talking about the underside and like it's detailed. That's what I meant with that statement. Even still, have a great day, folks.